You got antibacterial stuff.
Jaybo got me on the camera, y'all, so excuse this a little bit.
I ain't like it.
He teaching me out here, making me useful. But before that, I was only used for just walking around and talking shit. That's all. This is butt soothing tuning sheets for your butt.
He love them too, he just don't know.
Jaybo family, put you up on it.
When you're a top flight Chick-fil-A member, you don't gotta wait. You just order your food and they make it in 2 minutes. Chick-fil-A VIP. Got classic Monopoly. Yeah, 1980s, 80s edition, y'all. Marshall right here. Limo shopping vibes. Shopping. Yeah. To the back of it. Well, you got
old
classic piece
school,
on,
man.
Got classic piece on.
I think so. We got the little classic. Oh, we got the steel pieces, man.
Y'all like the steel pieces? I think you do.
Yeah. That's the old metal pieces.
What's your favorite game growing up? I don't think I played none of these. Oh no, this is fun right here. This is real fun. I actually want to buy this.
Old school twister right there for the free.
Y'all never play this? Y'all never play this?
Never played.
I'm finna get this for the house. Just because you give me Monopoly, I'm gonna get show.
Okay, cool, man.
Alright.
Don't get that. Give me Monopoly. And we got the Uno already.
Yeah.
I used to play old.
Yeah, this game is so fun, y'all. 4 players.
In and outside free dominoes.
Get some book bags. I have never seen a book bag like this. USB port on it. Alright, y'all. I'm currently about to start packing for my trip. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple stuff from the store. I got a little more deodorant I'm gonna put in there. Just the brain, you know what I'm saying? Got some little smell good stuff. Got some soap. Had to get some old socks, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why, like when I'm finna travel somewhere, I just like to get a little extra little underclothes and stuff. Got some t-shirts. What else? Finna start packing some clothes and stuff. I mean, I ain't got nowhere yet, but yeah, man, about to start now. I ain't gonna pack too much because, you know, I wanna do some shopping when I'm gone or whatever. So yeah, man, I'm finna just show y'all the little, you know, my little packing stuff anyway.